देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती।
इस सॉन्ग की मीनिंग क्या है, इस बात का डिस्कशन फिर किसी और वीडियो में करेंगे। लेट्स सी द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, सॉइल कंजर्वेशन इन ICSE स्टैंडर्ड 10 सॉइल रिसोर्सेस और सॉइल्स इन इंडिया चैप्टर। सो बेसिकली सॉइल कंजर्वेशन क्या है? ये है कि हम अपने देश की जो इम्पोर्टेंट मिट्टी है उसे कैसे बचा सकते हैं, सॉइल इरोजन कैसे हो सकता है। सॉइल इरोजन के कॉजेज़ हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखे। इस वीडियो हम देखेंगे कि सॉइल कंजर्वेशन के मेथड कौन से हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट कि सॉइल इरोजन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय यूजिंग वेरियस मेथड्स। Prevention of loss of soil due to erosion or by any form of misuse of soil is termed as soil conservation. Let's take first example, afforestation. Plants and vegetation provide excellent natural protection for the topsoil cover. In this picture, if we observe properly, so we can observe that roots of trees or grass hold soil particles together. Hence, such particles are not easily carried away by wind or water. So, role of plant roots play very vital role. In the next picture, here we can observe trees and other vegetation obstruct the flow of water on the earth's surface. Hence, the velocity of running water is reduced. It also enables greater amount of percolation of water in the ground. As a result, the level of underground water table also increases. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर उस स्लोप पर कोई भी ट्रीज नहीं है, जिससे पूरा का पूरा बारिश का पानी बह जा रहा है और बारिश के पानी के साथ सॉइल पार्टिकल्स भी बह जा रहे हैं। नाउ वी विल सी दैट wind is one of the major causes of soil erosion. Trees help to reduce the velocity or speed of wind. I do repeat that trees help to reduce velocity or speed of wind and the capacity of wind to erode soil. Hence, trees are known as windbreakers. In our North Konkan Maharashtra, trees are planted along the coast. These trees reduce the velocity of strong southwest monsoon winds, thus protect the cultivation of vegetables and flowers in the interior part of the coast. Such belts of trees grown to protect the soil from erosion are called shelter belts. In this picture, we can observe that trees are playing vital role as windbreakers. Let's see the another method. In this picture, we can observe the role of dry leaves. रोल ऑफ ड्राई लीव्स, सूखे पत्तों की भूमिका क्या है, इसका इम्पोर्टेंस। लीव्स प्रोवाइड डबल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ टू सॉइल। Green leaves on the trees cover maximum area to get maximum amount of sunshine for photosynthesis. These dense canopies of leaves protect the soil beneath from high velocity of the raindrops and thus protect the soil layer beneath the tree from getting eroded. Similarly, dry leaves that fall on the ground act as a blanket and protect the layer of the soil beneath. Decomposition of these leaves enhances the fertility of the soil. This is the most important picture of contour ploughing. Contour ploughing means ploughing of sloping land parallel to the contours, that is perpendicular to the direction of flow of water. Hence, the flow of water is obstructed and more water percolates into the soil, especially along the hill slopes. Similarly, soil particles moving along with water are obstructed and deposited into depressions formed due to ploughing. We can see n number of methods for soil conservation. This is the another method where we see the picture of strip cultivation. Different types of crops are grown on parallel, narrow strips of ground, generally following the pattern of contours. These crops are harvested at different time periods. Therefore, protection of land is done by the crops, which act as a windbreaker and reduce soil erosion. This method is called strip cropping. Let's see one more method which is helping for soil conservation. Here, this picture suggests about the method of construction of small embankment in gullies. Water flows in the direction of slope. On hill slopes, gullies are formed by the downward movement of water. Water having higher velocity has higher capacity to erode, and it is responsible for greater amount of soil erosion. Small embankments of stone in the gullies obstruct the free flow of water. It helps to reduce soil erosion and enhances greater percolation of water. As shown in the picture, how construction of embankment is very helpful for more percolation of water. So there are number of methods where we can apply soil conservation technique. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.